Well, you know what? You made salmon and asparagus for me in the first show. Yeah. And I'm doing it for you in this show. Yeah, I get to taste. Flip a little bit off there.
Ah. Really now? Is that what you think? Yeah. You making noises? Can you give me a smile? Can you give me a smile? Can you give a smile? Oh, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get ya. I'm gonna get ya. I'm gonna get you. Where's the smile? Where's the smile? Oh yeah? Oh yeah? He does this. He'll just cough to get your attention. Totally fake coughing. Then he chews on his fist. Chews on his fist. Right, buddy? It's your favorite meal. It's your fist. Oh! Oh! Oh, yeah? You're faking it, aren't you? You're faking it. So I pay attention to you, right? Say hi, Grandma. Hi. I guess I'd be great grandma. Yeah? Should we send this to her? So she can see you? Yeah? Okay. There you go, Grandma. Just thought you'd enjoy that.